Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at titignan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo ngayong full moon in Taurus sa November 16, 2024 at 5:28 a.m. Philippine time. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong promo, 25% discount sa tarot reading services ngayong November 2024 kapag nag-book kayo ngayong November. So yung link nasa description at sa pinned comment, paki-check nyo na lang yung information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, so Cancer, itong full moon in Taurus is going to happen in your 11th house. 11th house of friendship. Ayan, community, your hopes, your goals, your dreams. So, maaring yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong unexpected change ng mga goals nyo sa buhay. So, pwedeng, kung dati ang goal mo maging artista, ngayon ang goal mo nalang maging content creator. Yung mga ganon, no? To be part of a community, to be famous or to be well-known, or to share your knowledge and your skills. Maari ring yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng magkakaroon ng challenge when it comes to your friendship. So, pwedeng ito yung time na maaring magkaroon ng misunderstanding, miscommunication with a friend dahil it's either parang pareho kayo emotional ng friend mo or meron kayong expectation sa isa't isa na hindi na ibibigay ng bawat isa, so pwedeng mag-create yan ng conflict between the two of you. Some of you naman, parang merong, I see some sort of revelation dito pagdating sa feelings ng isang kaibigan mo towards you or vice versa. It's either yung kaibigan mo mag-open up sa'yo na meron pala siyang romantic feelings towards you, or ikaw yung mag-open up sa kaibigan mo na meron ka palang romantic feelings towards your friend. At maaring maging very challenging to the point na masira yung friendship. Okay? So, kumbaga, maaring matest yung friendship ninyo ng person mo or someone who is close to you dahil sa emotions or sa feelings. Kasi unexpected, no? So parang heightened yung kanyang emotion. It's either your emotion or your friend's emotion towards you. Maari ring if you are someone na meron kang community, meron kang social media, you are a content creator, may certain following ka, you have to be careful rin sa mga ipopost mo or bibitawan mong salita, lalo na kung emotional ka, kasi pwedeng magkaroon yun ng negative impact towards you, or anything that might use against you by others. So pay attention to that, be careful. If you feel na you're overflowing with emotions, kalmahin mo muna yung sarili mo. Okay? So, meron tong opposition sa Sun, which is in Scorpio, in your 5th house, which is about dating, creativity, and having children, no? So, kung ikaw ay may anak na, maari ring magkaroon ng conflict with your child, lalo na kung teenager na yung anak mo, no? Tapos, may mga hindi ka gusto sa kaibigan niya or yung mga peers niya, yung mga nakakasama niya, maaring merong hindi magandang influence sa kanila. So, pwedeng isa yon sa magkaroon ng conflict with your child, no? Some of you naman, you really have to take care of yung kung maliliit pa yung anak mo, kasi maaring maging prone sa mga accidents or yung mga halimbawa, nalaglag sa kama, yung mga ganon, or baka mabulunan, things like that. So, you really have to pay attention to your child during this time. And then, also, maaring may mga times na mag-struggle ka sa creativity mo, na tipong meron kang gustong tapusing project, gawing trabaho, hindi mo siya magawa kasi ikaw ay medyo nawawala ng focus, especially if you are having some challenges with your relationships or partnerships. Kasi I see some changes here. Maaring magkakaroon ng endings, ng relationships, partnerships for some of you. But I think ito yung way ng universe para i-lead ka sa mas maganda or mas favorable na partnerships, relationships for you. This can be romantic partnerships, this can be sa business, or yung mga taong makakasama mo sa career, sa trabaho mo. I also see an opportunity for you to explore your other talents, your other skills. Maari ring may opportunity for you to work abroad, to study abroad, or maging align yung career or yung iyong talents or yung iyong abilities, yung skills mo sa magiging work mo or trabaho mo if you will work abroad. Okay? So, let's see what else for Cancer. What else? Cancer rising and Cancer sun. Oh, the World. See? So, meron talagang ending a cycle. Anything that is no longer serving your highest good, you will let go of that. May chapter na nag-e-end para sa'yo, and it means na there is something new na kailangan mong i-explore. Some of you, pag-work abroad to or pagtatrabaho sa ibang lugar na mas malayo sa dati mong workplace. Ayan na yung 5 of Wands, which is conflict with others. So, yun nga yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Maaring merong mga unavoidable, no? Yung mga hindi maiiwasang conflict with someone na kailangan talagang mangyari. Okay? Para dun mo malaman or makita kung sino talaga yung mga kakampi mo. And you have the Knight of Wands. This is about your passion. This is about your stamina, your strength na i-explore yung other options for you. Have faith in your dreams. Ayan. So, mas pinagtitibay mo yung tiwala mo sa pangarap mo, sa mga gusto mo pang maabot sa buhay. And I feel like you will explore, no, new options, new opportunities. And you will also focus on taking care of yourself. Make time for self-love, self-care. Siyempre, hindi lang ibang tao ang ating laging aalagaan. Kailangan rin nating alagaan ang ating mga sarili para mas may kakayanan tayong magmahal at mag-alaga ng iba. Okay? So, have faith in your dreams. And I think, wala makakapigil sa'yo sa mga pagbabago na gusto mong gawin at sa mga bagay na gusto mong i-pursue sa buhay. As long as you believe in your capacity, in yung kakayanan mo yun ang importante doon. Kahit na meron mga taong sumubok sa patience mo or makialam sa mga plano mo, wala pa ring makakapigil sa'yo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. Good luck.